Hey, wake up. Wake up. Hello. You need to come out of your nightmares. Nightmares born by others' opinion. Nightmares by your fallen hopes. See? Obstacles you believe in and it become your nightmares. Wake up now. You have to come out of your nightmares and give it a try for your dreams. If you are going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. This could mean losing girlfriends, wives, relatives, and maybe even your mind. It could mean not eating for 3 or 4 days. It could mean freezing on a park bench. It could mean jail. It could mean derision. It could mean mockery, isolation. Isolation is the gift. All the others are a test of your endurance, of how much you really want to do it, and you'll do it despite rejection and the worst odds, and it will be better than anything else you can imagine. If you are going to try, go all the way. There is no feeling like that. You will be alone with the gods, and the night will flame with fire. You will ride life straight to perfect laughter. It's the only good fight there is. So wake up, and if you're going to try, go all the way.